that is dedicated to enhancing the effectiveness and efficiency of education delivery.
Technical education can be said to have contributed to national development as it has become the determinant of cultural and industrial progress.
One of the key recommendations from the deliberations is the adoption of indigenous languages as the medium of instruction at the basic education level. Leveraging the present administration's Nigerian Education Sector Renewal Initiative, the Council aims to equip students with the necessary skills to drive industrialization. In Abuja, Zenred Dingmoon, NTA News.
Now, Nigeria is witnessing a surge in reverse medical tourism, with patients from the United States and other countries seeking affordable and high-quality kidney transplants. State House correspondent Abdurrahman Jibrila reports that Vice President Kashmir Shettima made this observation when the Nigerian Association of Nephrology visited him at the presidential villa ahead of the medical community. He recalls healthcare initiatives he had embarked on during his tenure as governor of Borno State, as well as the success of ongoing free maternal care programs. He stresses the need for Nigeria to build its medical workforce, noting that when he was in Borno State as governor, he took 60 female students to study medicine in Sudan. Chairman of the local organizing committee for the 37th Scientific Conference and Annual General Meeting of the Nigeria Association of Nephrology, Dr. Olalekan Olatishe, says the conference with the theme, Revolutionizing Kidney Care in Nigeria, Evidence-Based Innovations, will take place in Abuja from February 19 to 21st, 2025. The association also announces plans to honor Vice President Shettima with the Kidney Champion Award in recognition of his advocacy and direct support for kidney patients as part of its commitment to improving healthcare access. Zenith Medical and Kidney Center recently partnered with Usman Danfodio University Teaching Hospital in Sokoto to perform a successful kidney transplants. Now let's go to Zamfara State, as the government says it is investigating the root cause of the recent fire outbreak at Almajiri School in Kaura Namoda, with a view to taking measures to prevent future occurrences. This is as it bears the medical bills of those injured and promise to support the families of the deceased. Now let's join my colleague in Zamfara State, Mohammed Ahmed Ibrahim in Kaura Namoda, for update on the incident that happened there. Can you tell us what is the mood and how is the Zamfara
and the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority. Built to establish Federal University of Science and Technology, Kabul, Kano State, the Deputy Barrow Jibrin has killed second reading.
With emphasis on planning, developmental and adaptive skills in education, engineering, technology, applied science, and allied professional disciplines.
If you want to share ratio to universities, I think between Kano and Jigawa should be looking for more universities. So because the number of people there, they are very large.
Senator Barrow has also instituted a loan scheme to distribute 5 million naira in the Northwest to boost food security. Meanwhile, Senate Minority Leader Abba Murus has the assent by President Tinubu to establish the North Central Development Commission will bring transformation to the region. The Senate has already created a standing committee for the commission as it awaits appointments of members of board and management. From the National Assembly, Lami Ali, NTA News.
From the National Assembly,
Lami Ali, NTA News.
From the National Assembly to Borno State, where Governor Babagana Umara Zulum led a delegation from Nigeria to kickstart repatriation of 7,790 refugees in Chad Republic. The refugees, most of them indigenous of Borno, were displaced for nearly 10 years by the insurgency, which affected communities around the Lake Chad Basin. Muhammad Goni reports.
The delegation, which includes the State Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Reduction and the Federal Commissioner, Chief Executive Officer of the National Commission for Refugees, Migrants and Internally Displaced Persons, was received in Bagasola by the Governor of Lak Province, Saleh